I found an OJ Simpson glove. What is this? What is this? Welcome back to my channel where I try to get my life in order. Today I will be tackling my garage. I'm trying to organize. It's a mess right now. We have stuff everywhere, trash everywhere, things that need to be thrown away, things that need to be sorted out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So this is what the garage is currently looking like. Now it's not so bad, but it is definitely not as organized as I would like it to be. Trash, a whole bunch of, I don't even know, beach stuff, trash, I don't even know, pest control stuff. It's just a lot. So I bought these bins from Home Depot yesterday, and because it's almost 4th of July, they were on sale. So I'm hoping that they fit in this little space here and I can organize everything and get them situated in here, and then maybe label the outside. I think what I'm gonna do is categorize it by paint and supplies, maybe tools, small tools. I don't know. A lot of these paint cans are really old and need to be thrown out, so I just don't know how to properly dispose of it. So that's something that I will have to Google, because I don't think you can just throw away paint, right? There are certain chemicals you need to dispose properly of. So it's also like 1,000 degrees out here in Florida, and the sweat is already dripping down my back as we speak. So wow, I found an OJ Simpson glove.
That's suspicious.
What is this? What is this? Okay, so far I've managed to clear out this little thing here and kind of organize that over there. All of that is paint that I'm getting rid of because it's old. And this here is the paint bucket, and supplies is just like tools, and this over here are bulky items. This over here is just miscellaneous, like yoga mats, Christmas lights, and organize all of this so everything is not just tossed around. This right here was my paint stick that I used to paint my 25-foot ceilings. I think this is, it's 8 feet, but it gets up to like 23 feet. It's super long. So if you have high ceilings and you don't want to pay anybody to paint your walls for you to reach way up there, get one of these bad boys and they extend right here. See? Ooh. Also, I have no idea why we have a snow shovel and we live in Florida, but it was free, so we use it for other stuff. Leaves and whatever.
Bruh.
So y'all, tell me why when I bought these bins, I measured to make sure they would fit in between here, and now they're not fitting. I measured in between here and it said it was like 15.5 inches, and these bins are supposed to be 15 inches tall. So I don't know what's going on. So I think I'm gonna move this to the other side next to that fridge and just stack the bins up here in front of the door. So this big old box right here is actually our Christmas tree. But as you can see, it's all jagged and taped in this box. So I went to Amazon and bought a Christmas tree bag, and I think this was only like $8. And our Christmas tree is 9 foot tall, and I think this goes up to 9 foot. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it out of that box, put it in this, and then store it up over there.
My whole life is all I ever
Now that I done moved the Christmas tree to this big old bag, I have no idea how it's gonna fit or where I'm gonna put it. Look at how big this bag is. Oh, I did not think that this bag was gonna be this big. Literally, you could put like 2 bodies in that mug. Anyway, I have to figure out how to get this over here, and I don't think this big old thing is gonna fit in this little bit of space. Now I don't know where to put it. It looks obnoxious. I don't know. Okay, so after moving this Christmas tree bag, I ripped a hole in it already. So I don't think I would recommend this bag. It is fairly cheap, as you can see, just moving it. I've already ripped a couple holes in it, but I managed to squeeze it in this little space between the shelf and the fridge. So it's just gonna have to work for now. All this garage clean out was a success and a failure. It didn't go the way I wanted it to go because I wanted this to be stacked on those shelves, but unfortunately they didn't fit. I'm sweating bullets out here if you can't tell. It is literally like 99 degrees. It said it feels like 109. I don't know, it's really hot. I did go through and try to organize everything. I have to call somebody about that because I can't throw that out. It's like mirrors and some other stuff that can't be thrown away with regular trash, but everything that we don't use is gone. Over here, this is kind of annoying because I didn't realize it was going to be that huge, but it is what it is. The kids' stuff is on the shelf over there, and yeah. Overall, everything is clean. We will eventually epoxy our garage floors. We really want to epoxy them. I do a lot of projects around the house out here, so the garage floor is really nasty. Paint everywhere, just a lot going on. So, but yeah, that's it. It's cleaner, so I'm happy about that. So anyways, I'm about to go in, take a shower because I am literally drenched in sweat, and start on dinner for my children's. So go ahead and like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.